Napapansin niyo bang hirap magsulat ng mga bata? Madalas umiiyak, nafo-frustrate o ayaw humawak ng lapis? Good news! There's a fun and stress-free way to teach writing. Kaya kung interesado kang malaman, panoorin mo muna ang video ito. So, ito na nga po yun, mga messengers, ang fun and stress-free way sa pagtuturo na pagsusulat sa mga kids ninyo. Dahil sa method na ito, mas nagiging exciting, hands-on, at enjoyable ang pagsusulat para sa young learners. Perfect ito for preschoolers and kindergarten at beginning writers. Ito ang tinatawag na no-tears writing method. Ang no-tears writing method is a multi-sensory approach sa handwriting. So instead na puro sulat agad sa papel, ginagamit nito ang movement, ang touch, ang visuals, and fun activities para mas madaling matuto ang mga bata. So what are the strategies employed in this method? Strategy number 1. Teach letters using simple strokes. Ito po yung instead of directly writing the alphabet on the paper, tinuturuan muna ang bata gamit ang simple strokes tulad ng big lines, little lines, or sleeping lines. Kasama na rin syempre ang curves. For example, instead of saying, write letter L, binibigyan ng oral cues. Kagaya ng you draw a big line down and then draw or write a sleeping line across. O di, para mas madali niya itong magawa at syempre mas exciting. Strategy number 2, gumamit ng multi-sensory activities para mas natututo ang kids kapag may touch and movement. Try using Play-Doh, sand trace, finger tracing, and air writing. These will help build muscle memory and fine motor skills. Ito na po ang strategy number 3. Make learning fun. Remember, young learners learn best through play. You can use letter games, songs and chants, coloring activities, and reward systems. Dahil kapag masaya ang bata, mas mabilis matuto, di ba? At strategy number 4, encourage, don't pressure. The goal is progress, not perfect handwriting agad. Always praise effort, like saying, good job, o kaya ay, you tried your best. Because this will build confidence and removes writing anxiety sa mga bata. Mga parents and teachers that with no tears writing method, writing becomes easier, happier, and less stressful for children. Because when kids enjoy learning, they become confident writers. Kaya nga pa-segue muna. I am promoting the self-made writing workbook na base sa mga karanasan namin sa pagtuturo ng writing sa kindergarten. Ito ay gumagamit ng progressive approach from tracing to independent letter writing. May added bonus pa po for developing literacy skills dahil may mga pictures to color pa for sound association. Kaya, if you want to avail, just leave a comment below.